In recent years, graphic designing has gained its importance for both work and personal use. Need an eye-catching post for your social media or creating a website? Graphic design. Need an advertisement or packaging for your product you're selling? Graphic design. Being as essential as it is, did you know you could be your very own graphic designer? Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft, and today we'll be talking about Microsoft Designer. In this video, we'll go over the basics of Designer, its features, and how to use it to create stunning graphics. So, if you're looking for a simple and easy to use graphic design tool, Designer might be the perfect tool for you. Microsoft Designer is an easy to use graphic design app that allows you to create still and animated graphics without any prior experience. Here are some features included in Designer. Designer's AI-powered design feature is one of its most impressive features. With this feature, you can generate stunning designs and original images just by typing what you want. Designer uses AI to generate layouts, writing assistance, and automatic layout suggestions for anything you add. It can even propose captions and hashtags to make social media sharing effortless. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to create professional quality graphics without any prior experience. Designer's generative erase feature makes it easy to remove unwanted elements like people from your photo. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to create stunning photos without any distractions. Designer's generative expand feature is perfect for anyone who wants to expand the size of their photo without losing quality. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to create stunning photos that are larger than the original. Designer's generative fill feature is another impressive feature. With this feature, Designer can fill in the gaps in your photo with AI-generated content. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create stunning photos without any gaps or missing elements. Designer's brand kit feature is perfect for anyone who wants to apply their colors and fonts consistently across all their designs. Designer's multi-page project features is perfect for anyone who wants to create projects with multiple pages. It's perfect for creating brochures, magazines, and more. Microsoft Designer is a powerful graphic design app that makes it easy to create stunning design and original images without any prior experience. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered design feature, Designer is perfect for anyone looking to create professional quality graphics for social media, invitations, digital postcards, and more. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Microsoft Designer. Now you can create your own stunning graphics in no time. If you found this video helpful and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Welcome to Microsoft Designer, a new kind of AI-powered design app that helps you make professional quality designs just by saying what you want. Here's how it works. Let's say you're putting on a concert this summer and need to get the word out. To get started, just tell Designer what you need to make. We can even help you write the perfect prompt. Designer will quickly come back with some great-looking options that use Designer's massive catalog of professional images. Make your design even more personal by adding your own images from your device. If you can't find that perfect picture, Designer can generate new images with AI, again, just by describing what you want. It's never been easier to start a party. You can go in and change any part of a design. As you add additional elements, like a new text field, the Ideas pane can give you arrangement suggestions that make the text fit right in. Designer can even help with writing, so it's easy to say just the right thing. Right on, writing assistants. Designer also has some incredible tools that use AI to make time-consuming image production tasks a breeze. Let's take this concert out under the stars. How about some fireworks? For the grand finale, we can use a suggestion with magic motion to make our design come alive. When it's time to share your creations with the world, Designer makes it easy to share however you want. We'll even give you AI-powered recommendations for captions and hashtags based on your content and goals. Designer's AI assistance helps you get great results every step of the way. Designs that get people out of their houses, to your events, and your parties, and your sales, or just make them smile. Experience it for yourself. Sign up for free at designer.microsoft.com.